very important to look cute for nighttime. Thank you, Vanity Planet, for sponsoring this video. Are you ready for my nighttime skincare routine? Same. Hello, Hunnay! I don't know if you heard, but your little friend, Jeannie Mai, is on Dancing with the Stars, and it wasn't until I recently saw myself in an interview talking about being on Dancing with the Stars when I saw crust and lines on my face from dehydration. And I realized, wow, this moneymaker ain't making money. Tonight, I'm going to take you on a tour through my nighttime skincare routine that gets my skin popping and locking. Popping for the cameras, right? Because we gotta look good on the dance floor, no matter what. Before we jump into skincare, the other thing that I've been monitoring just to make sure that I stay in healthy shape is weighing myself. And not just weighing myself, but weighing myself in a whole 2.0 way that makes me keep on top of my health needs. My digital body analyzer scale from Vanity Planet. Heard a lot about Dancing with the Stars when it comes to the extreme workout regimen. And the one thing I know is that you lose a massive amount of weight. Now, you guys know that losing weight isn't necessarily a goal of mine, but staying fit, healthy, and not losing my muscle mass is majorly important, especially because I lift heavy weights, so it takes a lot of work to break down those muscle fibers and to build great tone. So I don't want to lose that. The digital body analyzer scale from Vanity Planet is actually going to help me track how my body is doing each week, whether I miss a workout or I gain a workout from Dancing with the Stars. It's important because it holds me accountable to my health and wellness goals. The great thing about this scale is that it holds up to 8 different profiles, so 8 members in your household can use it. And it gives you so much information, like obviously your weight, how much water you have in your body, what even your muscle mass is like, what your bone density is, and your body fat percentage. How does it do this? It actually uses an undetectable electrical current that runs through your body. And it always tells me when I'm increasing muscle while I'm reducing fat. If anybody at home is already using an average scale, this is where I'm telling you, you gotta upgrade, because you might be missing vital information that's gonna help you reach your health goals better and faster. Now remember, to keep your numbers accurate, measure yourself every other week, not every day. Knowing that composition helps you maintain your health balance. Plus, it really looks sexy in my bathroom. Actually, let me bring you over to see it. Okay, so here's my sexy little friend. Hi, friend. That's person number 1. Is she a girl? And then she's, oh no, not 5'6", 5'4". Yes. Okay, 41, all right. I just get on logging my numbers. Just like that. So if you want a Vanity Planet scale for yourself, click the link below and you'll get 60% off because you're part of my fam. I got you. The code is HH60. Satisfaction guaranteed. I promise you're gonna love it. All right, let's get into the skincare routine. The first thing I'm going to do that I don't make the time to do, but when I do, I love the results for like the next entire week with or without makeup, is the glow that your skin naturally has when you exfoliate. Paul, put in clap hands. When you exfoliate. I'm not talking about like some chintzy little exfoliation or like a little, pad that you have. I'm talking about like a real exfoliation where you actually feel whatever the beads you're using break down because it's actually getting worked into your skin. So what I'm using is extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed. That's the purest form to help moisturize your skin while you're exfoliating it, because it can be abrasive. I'm also using pure cane sugar because this is a natural sugar that breaks down softly into your skin without giving you too much tearing. Now, this is my recipe, M-A-I. So if anybody by the name of, I don't know, Susan, Yara, wants to call out my recipe, I'm here. I see you, sis. Brilliant. I like to use this because it works for me. When I'm giving you guys these ideas, it's because it's actually worked for me and I see the results. And especially when I'm working on HD cameras like this or having to be in bright lights and having to wear toxic things like makeup all the time, I need to see the real that works. If it works for me, it could work for you. Try it out. If you don't like it, throw it out and hey, Go buy something at CVS. So it's basically a 2-to-1 recipe. I'm gonna put 2 spoonfuls of sugar to 1 spoonful of olive oil. And then I'm going to put a little bit of lavender and eucalyptus just because I love the essence. Paul, can you come help me hold? Okay, right there. Right there.
You sure I can see me in the reflection, right?
So that nice, cute little white thumb right there is Paul. Paul is helping me hold things because I want you guys to see how easy this is to do at home. Paul has also taken his COVID test and has been quarantining at home with Emmy, his dog, and his husband. That's 1-to-1, 2-to-1. So fun. 2 drops of lavender, 1 drop of mint. Smells so good, Hunnay. So we just mix it up like this. I hate being a woman. In order to execute a clean exfoliation, I wanted to make sure that my baby hairs are in check. This is my House Urban Bunny Ear Head Wrap, available on my Black-owned business haul of my favorite beauty products. Check out the link below. I love this exfoliation. First of all, it's really easy on the skin. Create a thin, nice layer. I always hit up the cheeks first because I feel like that's the area that holds so much makeup and dirt. If you have dry skin, you can get away with using this exfoliation 2 to 3 times a week, which is how many times I do it. For people who have oily skin, I would suggest keeping it to more like once a week. Don't be afraid to get both your hands into it. Go ahead in there. Oh yeah, right here. Right here. Gently. When you press onto your skin, you really don't have to press into your skin. My hands are literally just on the top layer of my face, making circles. It's not pressing in, so you don't need to go too heavy. And for those of y'all who like to contour, here, 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 make sure you get those areas of your hairline, because that's nasty. Be careful. Underneath of your eyes, you don't have to go hard at all. Draw cute little shapes on your face just to really love on your skin. Like, I love you so much. You're so cute. Look at your big little eyes, your cute little nose, your mustache. And the great thing about this is you can also exfoliate your lips. Get on in there. Oh my God, it's so good. Paul, it's so good. Do you want to eat some?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna wash my face. All right, you're gonna feel so silky and smooth because the olive oil kind of seeps in like a great moisturizer as it cleansed off your makeup. And by the way, you can also do that whole exfoliation while you have makeup on. I would just use a wipe for any, hard to remove makeup like mascara and eyelash glue. But other than that, it takes off makeup amazingly. Next up, I've got clean, moisturized skin, but I really want to lock the moisture in, and I also want to take this time as it's so clarified and bare to pack in some good moisture and some humectants and some vitamins and nutrients. Check out my blueberry mask. When it comes to blueberries, the antioxidants that you can find in blueberries actually protect against free radicals, and the vitamin C from the lemons will brighten your skin. The reason why I have this homemade bottle of lemon juice is because Paul has a lemon tree and he gives us fresh lemons, and Mama Mai sat there squeezing by hand all of the lemons into these leftover water bottles because we never waste single-use bottles. This is Jay's water.
Mama don't waste anything.
So it's fresh lemon juice and puree that's going to go into my fresh face mask. Fresh organic blueberries, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of water. Baking soda, I got baking soda. Anybody? Paul has no idea. The reason why baking soda is great not only to have in your fridge, but for your skincare, it not only helps to bind the ingredients that you're putting together, but it actually helps to banish pimples. And there's something that's been happening because I've been out in the sun so much. Do you see my sunspots there? I'm getting a lot of sunspots. So it helps to lighten my sunspots, which is something I'm looking forward to. So you'll see a slight fizzing of the baking soda, which is totally normal. So you would just want to squish the blueberries. Oh, it smells so good. You're gonna have this ooey gooey, fresh and fruity mix. Oh, it feels so good. Ooh, it's cooling and refreshing. I don't care if you're married, got a boyfriend, a live-in boo, a grinder partner, whatever your situation is, don't ever let somebody shame you for feeling good about who you are. All you want to do now is just relax and leave this on for about 15 minutes. This is a good time to check your email. You know, clip your toenails. Ask your boo thing if they're sure they made the right decision. Jay! Just bring the whole box. I'm so sorry, thank God for Postmates. I haven't had any food. Susan, where are you? I don't know about you, but eating pizza during your skincare routine, there's nothing better. It's so good. Let me know, girl. I'll deliver you a slice. Now from the top, you can drop this. Most people would think that on Dancing with the Stars, everybody's looking at your face and your body. Not I, said the cow. I actually noticed my hands. Yes, I never take care of my hands. It's not something I normally think about. Lotion, obviously, but beyond that, I don't do anything else. Then I saw some footage of my hands on an interview, and I could not believe how old and tired they looked. I already have kind of veiny hands, but I don't also need them to look dry and dehydrated. Super easy how to moisturize my hands. So all you need is some milk. This is about to expire anyway, so I'm just gonna use it on my hands. All we have to do is pour the milk into 2 bowls and microwave them for just about 15 seconds apiece. Then you take the 2 bowls of milk that you have here, like this, and you just soak your actual hands inside the milk. The fat lipids inside of the milk actually fill and moisturize your hands, while the vitamin A and E nourish and condition your hands. You've actually taken a break from texting, you don't believe in social media invading your life. This is the moment for you to give time to you. You could be stopped on the street to be invited to do a campaign for hand modeling. You might have Jergens knocking at your door. You never know, but you gotta stay ready, boo. Paul! It's good. Wash your hands. Look how soft and moisturized my hands look. And this is no lotion. That's crazy. Next thing, I've got to make sure my ring looks clean. This is a jewelry cleaner that my friend Jared Blandino recommended to me. It actually is amazing, but you have to soak it overnight. Jay saw me rushing out the door one time, and he knew I was doing interviews. Of course, he can't have my ring looking anything but fuego. So he literally took a Q-tip, dipped it into the cleaning solution, and polished it. Like this. You see why I'm marrying him? He's a genius! Now I'm going to lean on a few of my favorite products. Medica Derma, their amazing revitalizing serum. I'm in love with this stuff, but I've been mixing it to get that double moisture because I haven't been sleeping as well with the Miracle Serum from Mary Louise Cosmetics, which I also mentioned on my Black-owned business beauty haul, so do check it out in the video because I love Mary Louise's products and her serum is pure gold. A bit of Medica Derma and a bit of Mary Louise, just maybe like 3 drops of each. Ugh. Oh, I love pressing this into my skin. I like to press it into my skin because I love giving it just a little baby massage and making sure that my pores each get a nice, healthy distribution of it all. Oh, that's so good. Always massage up. Always massage upwards. Have you guys heard of SKINMEDICA. I really love their rejuvenating hydrator. It's got a little bit of a tingly sensation because it does have a little bit of hyaluronic acid, which helps to polish your skin. And since your skin is so pure right now with the exfoliation and your berries skin mask, it's perfect to have just a little extra from this moisturizing hydrator. Do like and subscribe. Nobody can take care of you until you do. I love you guys. Thank you to Vanity Planet for sponsoring this video. Good night, Hunnay.